Welcome back to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Your store is set up, now let's get your first product online. In this video I'll walk you through every part of the product form, from photos to price to publish. Let's go. Start at resogra.com, click the account icon in the top right corner to sign in. Enter the email and password you used when you registered as a vendor. Click Sign In. From your vendor dashboard, click Products in the left sidebar. This is where every product you sell on Resogra lives. Now click the orange Add Product button at the top right of the products page. First, the name. This is the title customers see, make it clear and descriptive. For example, handmade leather tote bag, brown. Pick the category your product belongs in. This is how customers find you when they browse. Click the field, then pick from the list, for example, fashion and apparel, then handbags. Set your price in US dollars. This is the headline number customers see. Resogra takes a small commission from each sale, you keep the rest. Write your product description. This is your space to tell customers everything they need to know: materials, dimensions, how it fits, why it's special. The more detail, the more confident the customer feels clicking buy. Now your photos. Click the upload area and add at least 3 photos from different angles. The first photo is the one customers see on the main listing, make it your best. Phone photos work great, especially with natural light. Tell Resogra how many of this product you have to sell. When stock hits 0, Resogra automatically marks the product as sold out. You can adjust this number anytime. Give your product a code, also called a SKU. It can be anything memorable to you, like Tote Brown 001. This helps you track which product is which when orders come in. Scroll to Program Settings. If you tick Make this product available to affiliates and set a commission percent, say 15%, affiliates can promote your product and earn a cut. Optional, but a great way to get free marketing. Scroll to the top and click the orange Create button. Your product is now live on Resogra. Customers can find it, click it, and buy it. Go back to Products in the sidebar to see your full catalog growing. Your first product is live on Resogra. Customers can now find it, click it, and buy it. Add as many more as you want, the form is exactly the same each time. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Resogra family.